was looking for a cat tower for these guys, and I found this thing at PetSmart. Oh, overpriced, but it was on sale. But it's actually pretty nice. I didn't think it would be that sturdy. It's just tent poles holding it up, but it's really solid. And they immediately, I couldn't even finish putting it together. They were already climbing in and out of it. They love it. I'm so happy. Look at that. They love it in there. Hi. Hey, buddy. You like your new house? Oh, I'm so glad. What do you think, buddy? Yeah, that's all yours. Yep, go for it. Get in there. Live it up. You know, you could pop out the top too. I need to get like a feathered wand thing. I thought it would come with one on this, but no. You don't even know there's a top part. There you go. Now he does. Look at that. There he goes. There he goes. Oh, that's so cool. I'm so happy. Get it. Get him, buddy. Get him. Yeah, definitely need a string feather or something in there. Be able to attach their little treat thing. Cool.